Have you ever struggled motivating your students when it comes to assessing speaking? Your students don't seem interested in role play or real communication activities at all, and you end up carrying up assignments such as oral presentations, which demotivate them even more. If this has happened to you as a teacher at least once, keep watching this video because today we have the best option for you. So, welcome to our tutorial how to use green screen kinemaster feature to assess speaking in the EFL classroom. In this video, we will explain and show you what the green screen is about and how it can be used to assess speaking in a more meaningful, interactive, and engaging way.
In simple words, green screen is a single color backdrop used in recording videos to add backgrounds or images behind an object or a person. It is likely that you have seen people using green screen. In case you don't think so, green screen is used to add maps to the background in weather reporting. At the same time, is used in movies to simulate real location or environments, as in Harry Potter. And to sum up, green screen is in effect used in many platforms such as television resources, movies, and offering apps such as TikTok, Instagram, Zoom, and Meet. This effect allows people to change the background in order to set context for a specific situation. Today, our chosen application is kinemaster. We will show you how this tool can be used in educational context, specifically when you want to assess speaking skills. This app is free, you can use it on your phone, and it's very easy to manage. Keep watching if you want to know how to use it step by step.
But before we check the steps, why should you use this application as a teacher? Let's see some reasons.
Nowadays, teachers have to come up with new ideas and plans to get the students' attention. Technology is one of them. It is always a good tool for engaging our students in learning since it is more striking for them. A green screen is a useful tool for speaking activities. The use of this source can create a change in our students' motivations since it has a great link with technology. The green screen is an open-ended technology that allows it to be used across the activities. This tool will help you to make your activities more contextualized, since you can place your students depending on the speaking task. For example, when evaluating a speaking activity, the situation is usually explained by the teacher or just by reading it on a piece of paper. By using the green screen, your students will be able to have a better visual and perspective of what they have to be asked for to talk about. Okay, so imagine you plan a speaking activity in which your students A are tourists and your students B are people who are from the country they have visited. They have to ask, for example, what they can do there, what they can visit, or whether or how is the weather. So if you use a green screen, your students will be more contextualized with the country or the place. They could look at the place and answer. For example, in this picture, they will see that there is the beach, that is sunny, that everyone is using a swimsuit, and so on.
This, we are going to show you how you and your students can use the chroma key feature of KineMaster for this effect. Let's go step by step. Before using this effect with KineMaster, you have to remember that you need to record your video on a one-color plain background. It can be a wall, a curtain, a closet, or anything that meets the conditions. Also, you need to have on your phone the background that you want to implement. First, you download the app on your device. Once it is installed, you open it and press the big button on the left side of the screen. You'll see different aspect radius for your video. Choose one and you will see the main screen. Here is where you are going to edit your video. The first thing you have to do here is to press the button that looks like a metal gear on the left side of the screen. Then go to Editing and press Fill Screen and the ticket. This will allow you to assign a permanent background. Now, on the right side of the screen, you will see a circle with 4 buttons. Press Media, and here you will select your background. It can be a video, a photo, or any of both from the app. In this case, I will select this one, the ticket, when you already select the picture. Now, you move it at the beginning of the video. You press Layer and Media. Here you will select the video you already recorded. In this case, this one. You can move the picture or video wherever you want and adapt the size of it. In this case, I will place it here. The ticket when it's ready. Now you have to press the chroma key feature. Press Enable and you can adapt the colors here. When it's ready, you press the ticket. You can extend the video and picture as long as you want. Now, when it's ready, you press the ticket and you can see it with the button Play. Hello everyone! Remember, your next speaking assessment will be to record a video on this, kinemaster. You will have to record a video about the unit that we are seeing, traveling. When your video is ready, you can share and export with the button on the top right side of the screen. You select the resolution that you want and the frame rate. When it's ready, you press Export and you will be able to share it. And that will be it. Your videos will be saved on the application, as you can see, and you can title them as you want. Also, you can save your videos on the phone. Now, keep watching if you want to see some tips on how to improve your plain one-color background. See you there.
Tips or things to bear in mind to achieve a quality green screen video. Space or background. Make sure you have enough space or background to record the video. In that way, the video editing will be easier and you can save time on retouching. Illumination. Background lighting is essential. You will need a lot of light to avoid different shades of color in the background or the projection of shadows that could hinder or reduce the quality of the video. The clothes. Smartly select your clothes. The background color should be uniform and different from the color of the object or the person's clothing. Under no circumstance should you use the same color as the background, since you could be confused with the background. Try to use simple and solid colors, avoiding patterns, white colors, or bright clothes, in order to maintain the contrast between background and you. In the same way, you should avoid fast movements and loose clothing to avoid glitches. Taking these tips into account, you should achieve a quality video.
We hope that this video has helped you to have a different view, a different perspective about this application and how you can use it to assess speaking. Bye!